This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert David. Here is your opportunity to own one of Lake County's oldest family-run auto repair and service centers. The 3,240 square feet building on a 0.35-acre site contains a customer waiting area, office work areas, and a multi-bay garage with indoor and outdoor lift stations. The turnkey offering includes all the furniture, fixtures, equipment, trade name, and goodwill of this business with its long-established customer following and reputation for service and reliability. Call or contact your agent for additional information and to arrange for a scheduled showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Robert David at 352-552-3968.